Hello crafty friends, today I'd like to share with you what's inside an Echo Park mystery warehouse sale box. So come and join me as we see what goodies are inside the mystery box. So you can see it's packed nicely inside one of their boxes. And first up here I've got a 6x6 paper pad and then another 6x6 paper pad. We have a petal kit and it makes a large flower. We've then got some brads and followed by some nice summery puffy stickers. Then we've got a fall collection with puffy stickers there. We've also got some decorative washi tape that matches back to one of the paper pads. And here I'm just showing you the washi tape included matches back to the fall stickers. And then this really pretty floral tape as well. Then we've got some designer cards, and these have got lots of cute little sayings on and very handy to use. We've got some enamel dots that match back to the washi tape and the fall stickers. Then we've got a frame art print that you can frame, decorate and frame up for Christmas. We've got some more summer chipboard pieces here, and they're on the nice thick self-adhesive chipboard. Then we've got some very cute Easter icons in the chipboard, followed by a couple of these paper die cut already toppers. And there we have a nice Christmas one, matches back again to one of the kits we had. This is a really lovely 12 by 12 paper pad. It's Magical Birthday, and I have already bought this, but in a 6 by 6 size. So it's going to be nice to have the 12 by 12 as well, and having the larger size in the cutter parts. And I'm just showing you here some of the really pretty prints in there. And you can see it's got that magical feel to it and some references to Disney there with the Magic Castle. So there's 2 sheets of each of those in the 12 by 12 pattern pack. This is a 12 by 12 collection kit and it's in the Story of Fall. Then we have another one of these collection kits, and this one's called Splash. So nice, bright, summery colours and patterns. Lovely to be using for all those beachside memories and holiday references throughout the year. Next, we have another collection pack, and it is called Go See Explore. And some really cute icons in there and lovely patterned papers as well. And I'm just showing that the back of that also has the stickers because it's part of the kit. This kit here is called Old World and it has a really nice vintage feel, and it also has the sticker 12 by 12 sticker sheet on the back, and I can see this being really lovely for some masculine cards. This next collection is called Cartography number 2, and you get all these different maps. One side of each sheet has a coloured image, and then the reverse side has the black and white image. So these could be really interesting for card backgrounds or scrapbooking or even school assignments. And looks like this is our last 12 by 12 collection, and it's called Happiness is Homemade, and this is a really adorable patterned paper kit, and the colours are beautiful and vibrant in it as well. So that was a really quick look at what was inside of my Echo Park mystery box. It did cost $50 US. And I'm just showing there that we have 6 of those pattern paper kits. We had the 12 by 12 patterned paper pad. We had 2 sheets of the pre-die cut papers. We've got 2 lots of the chipboard stickers. We've got the Merry Christmas print. We've got brads, a smaller collection of the summer puffy stickers. Then we also have the two 6x6 patterned papers. Then we have the fall collection there with more puffy stickers, enamel dots, another washi tape, the card memos, the very large 3D petal flower maker. There is the third washi tape, and that is absolutely everything that was in the box. I think you agree it was great value. There's lots of great product in there and many hours of crafting fun. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you are having a great day. Please join me again soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.